Hi everybody and welcome to another operating system expedition. We've got another PowerPoint operating system today, another Presentasia based system today. Presentasia. This time it is Presentasia OS 4.0 Matrix. And it is very much grey themed. There's actually not much about a matrix, but if I'm right in saying it's something to do with being all grey and dull, and I'm not saying grey is dull. If it's used right, it's fancy and modern and all that kind of stuff, but I prefer colour. So here we are. This is taken right after the previous video that I made, which is 3.0, which was the Snowball edition, which is all blue and icy themed, which I liked. So we're in 4.0 and it's all grey. So we'll start off with quick access. In the first two versions there was a kind of guest account where it was all like in Windows, where the guest user is limited to only specific functions, and minor little things, just for quick web browser maybe, or writing a Word document or everything else. That was the same idea, and starting from 3.0 it's been replaced with this quick access function. So here we go, we've got these tabs going on here and a back button. So we'll look and see what a WeBrowse looks like. I think this is the first instance of WeBrowse, because the previous web browser was called was it Access? No, Atlas, Internet Atlas. So this is WeBrowse. This is the first instance of WeBrowse on a Presentasia, similar to how you went from Internet Explorer to Microsoft Edge. Yep. So we're going to Google. I think there's a home page set here on the refresh button. So here we go. Bright light. So this. Text document and disk function. It's probably going to do the same. It's probably not going to find anything, surprise surprise. And games, which is probably going to be cool math games again. No surprise there. I'm pretty sure he did what they do with the actual Windows operating system, where they take, and with Microsoft they take the actual code. So say they had Windows 8, they'll just upgrade Windows 8 until they get to Windows 10. So all the modifications, if you actually look for betas of Windows 10, you'll notice it evolves from Windows 8 to Windows 10 kind of thing. So I think that's, could be wrong, but maybe that's what it does. Maybe copies and paste the same project and just adds or renews stuff, just to, that would be an easier thing to do. But yeah, this was quick access. Now I'm presuming the password is still administrator, and this time it's got hidden like you would on an actual password system with dots. Right, so hopefully I've got that right, and it'll do the animation again, which is actually quite an interesting little feature. As I say, if this is real, I would be quite impressed. Internet Atlas. Wait. On quick access, it was WeBrowse. So, it's life's went on since then. But anyways, go back into Atlas. Browse. And it's designed the same as the new WeBrowse web browser, but maybe it was just trying to move. Maybe this is the more of the transition kind of thing. I'm pretty sure. I think the guy who created these PowerPoint presentations that look like operating systems actually came out with a separate, within PowerPoint kind of software application WeBrowse before it was actually pushed into, I think it was 5.0 or 6.0 when he pushed out WeBrowse. But this is Internet Atlas, and yeah, back and forward buttons, refresh and home. But yep, so that's Atlas. Files. Thanks PresDoc, thank you for downloading Matrix. Nope, the home button doesn't do anything. Apps. So here are all the apps. You've got the file viewer, the image viewer of the pre-installed images, which are quite nice little photos if I do say so myself. And we're back in the apps hub, so YouTube, and he actually created some of these logos himself. And I've been looking at quite a bit of Channel 4 based stuff because I live in the UK, so I'm interested in that kind of stuff. But anyway, we'll go back. Facebook. I'm pretty sure this probably pretty much works, but yep. Twitter. And that's Twitter. And am I right in saying this is a Tumblr? Yeah. Although Tumblr doesn't look nothing like that logo or font. So that's Tumblr. Games. Similar in a slight way to 3.0 and 2.0, I think. We had this little kind of cute little gaming robot. In the first one, there was obviously no game applications there, so it looked kind of sad, and it was like it was tumbling over kind of thing. But yeah, it's quite cute. The disk function. No disks were located in disk drive. Yay! Search again. And this little kind of fancy little animation. Can't find anything. Surprise, surprise, because it's not actually got a disk drive function in it. But play media? No, you can't find anything. Sorry, I'm just being a weirdo. Just being a pathetic little weirdo now. Style, sleek silver. That's actually a good thing. Let's read what it says about this. 4.0 Matrix version 4.0, Presentasia OS #4, sleek silver, and what is this? Click one of the icons to go to various menus and programs. Hover over this to get more options. This is similar a bit to 3.0, where this little slide out a menu here, similar to the charms bar, comes up. Mind you, in 3.0 it was a full screen that came up. This is just a little sidebar, like the charms bar in Windows 8. So you've got the shutdown, restart, and everything else. And this little button brings back the feature from 1.0, where these little boxes used to do this little jiggle effect, and he's brought that back, which is quite an interesting little thing. Right. And I've just realised that the sidebar shows up a little image in the background, so if you hover over the image it brings you back to here, and you hover over that it brings you up to the little sidebar. Anyway, that's just Presentasia. Yeah, that's... I've not went into WeBrowse yet, and yeah, this is messing up. Simply brilliant, prettiest program. Presentasia, well, the Presentasia OS. Well, this is a naughty. XYZ. Don't know. Be weird. Whatever. Cancel this. Cancel! There we go. There we go. I was taking a little bit of a fit there, but fails. It's interesting how in earlier versions, files was literally just all applications, any applications you had, any files you had, any links to XYZ you had, and now in this, files are actually documents, and then you've got the apps in this hub, and then games in its own separate hub as well, and you've got some suggested programs. As I say, if this was a real thing, I'm probably thinking that they would keep the 9 tile interface, but you could probably pin like whatever ones you like, and probably them would be mandatory, so you could maybe rearrange the tiles or something. But as I say, it's quite interesting. So that was Presentasia 4, and as I say, like I said in the video about 3.0, it's a bit of a shame that this guy stopped making these little projects, because even though they were just stupid little fake operating systems, they were quite interesting, and you could have this kind of imagination that you're this big multinational corporation that created these little operating systems, and people were like, oh, I'm going to download Windows PowerPoint Edition or Presentasia OS or whatever. But yeah, that was Presentasia OS 4 Matrix. I hope you enjoyed, and if you enjoyed this, give me a like, and if you're new to the channel, give me a subscription, because you'll be notified on any of the videos I make. And if you want to see me show off anything else, like PowerPoint based stuff, interfaces, actual operating systems that you find interesting, that you want me to take a look at, or any other kind of like interface for whatever thing. I'm doing most of the Windows stuff, so anything to do with PowerPoint, anything to do with Visual Studio, any kind of operating system that I can emulate, and like VMware or whatever. Give me a shout and I'll take a look at it, because I'm interested. This is initially going to be for real operating systems, but because I find PowerPoint stuff interesting, I thought I'd go for this. So, yep. As I say, if you enjoyed this, there's still more to come. I will see you in the next video, and have a good day. Bye.